Welcome to Number Pro. Number Pro is a cloud-based application that is used to generate a data file that can easily be used with most desktop publishing software and your digital printer. Number Pro is popular with individuals, small print shops, and nonprofit organizations wanting to easily number raffle tickets, event tickets, benefit tickets, NCR forms, or for that matter, any printed piece you want to number. Number Pro has been tested to work with Adobe Indesign, Microsoft Word, Corel Draw, Microsoft Publisher, and with a third-party application, even Quark Express. Number tickets or documents in one or more places, even print multiple tickets to a sheet. Number Pro is cloud-based, meaning you can access the Number Pro application from the members area using any computer or device that has an internet access. No download needed. Creating a data file with Number Pro takes less than a minute, and you have unlimited access to Number Pro as long as you are a member. Still not sure if Number Pro is right for you? We suggest you take a look at the demo page as well as the video that corresponds to the software you'll be using to see how easy doing a data merge really is. Number Pro does not create your document, but merely makes it easier to number them. Join Number Pro now and gain unlimited access.